Good afternoon again, everyone here. Okay, so Jake is already talking with you about our ecosystem and the technology behind and what we can do. I want to talk with you about what we do next in 2022. What happened next with our ecosystem? So we start with sorry, I cannot turn off the slide. I see. We have nearly 10 applications up and running right now, and wow. Okay, here's the right one. This is the ecosystem we are focusing right now, which you can see that we have everything from the whole thing is going around the two core. One is the blockchain, and the second one is the eKYC system, which you call the ID share. With this core, you can do everything. You can consider that as let's say the iCloud. You have one iCloud account that you can log into anything in Apple products. The same as Omanee. We have the ID share account. You do the eKYC. When you pass eKYC, you can use this account to log into the bank, to the social media network, which we have, and other products in the future too. The second of the core is the blockchains, which we build the whole protocol from scratch. And this is something, really big. We invest time and resource much on the blockchains. So it's something that we focus, and today we launch, as you know. We have social media based on blockchains. We have a crypto bank, which is launching today too. We have e-commerce exchange marketplace. We have the whole in NFT core system, which allow you to tokenize your physical access, like the house, the cars, your physical voucher to share to others, to provide to your businesses and as customer. And this is the whole ecosystem that we have. You can see the blockchain is fully up and running. Right now, I think, as we speak, we have more than 40 super nodes right now, and it increasing every day. And we have more than 100 nodes for, secondary to actually back up the 41 right now. So this is the whole, big ecosystem that we can do everything with that. For example, if you are the businesses, you want to do things with the ecosystem of Omanee. You can use Dr.Nee, which is the social media network, as the gateway, as I see the gateway, to enter the whole ecosystem in order to do things with Omanee. Let's circle a little bit with our Welups blockchains. What we do in the 2022 is we're going to connect Welups blockchains to Ethereum network, to BSC, to Tron. Why we do that? Because Ethereum and BSC right now is already very crowded, and the gas fee, is high. And also, Tron is quick, is still cheap, but we want to connect to them. So in order to move the access from other chain to our chain. Our chain right now is new. New, it means that we are quick, the speed is high, the performance is good, and the fee is very low. That's why you can utilize other chains to move the access to our blockchains. This is something we're going to do, and it's going to be finished somewhere around February of 2022. We finish all the bridge to Ethereum and Tron and BSC. This is some glimpse visual of the new version of the Dr.Nee, which we're going to show you more. You can see by your phone. Go to the App Store, download the Dr.Nee and see by yourself. This application already have more than 20,000 active users every month, and we built that for quite a long time, and you just update to the new versions. This is also the glimpse visual of the Nebank's application, which we call the crypto banks. But not just crypto, we do everything with this one. You can save money, you can deposit, you can send to other, you can loan, you can borrow money, everything. And this is running on not just mobile, run on desktop too. Yeah. This is how it works in the 2022. We're going to connect NeBank into the payment gateway. This is the biggest thing we do. So everything with crypto, you can convert to fiat. Yeah, it depends on the country, but this is what we do in the 2022. The bank is going to connect to NeBank app, so you can deposit fiat money to buy the crypto in NeBank. And in our ecosystem right now, you can buy Well, you can buy Ne, you can buy other stable coins that we issue from our blockchains. We also have the platform wallet, which is a Welups platform. You can store Well, not just only Well, other crypto too. The exchange is going to be listed and connected with NeBanks in 2022 after the Well is listing. This is what the business can do with Welups and the ecosystem of Omanee. For example, if you are the businesses and you join Dr. Ne, you can consider it as the social media, which you can communicate with people like your customer, your friend, your family. If you want to do something more than that, you want to share things via social network, you can create a channel, official channel with Dr. Ne. And by doing that, it's very easy. 1 or 2 clicks, you can create a page on Dr. Ne to create as a business of yourself. After that, what do we do next? You need to issue the old coin, the currency based on top of the Welups blockchains easily with this application, still using Dr. Ne to issue coin. And then it's going to connect with Welups blockchain to issue your own currency to be used with your businesses and then the customer. After that, what do you do next? At the same time you have your old coin, you're going to have the new account on NeBank too. And everything is recorded on the NeBank. And you're going to take care of the business transaction with NeBank after that, and also the Dr. Ne. With Dr. Ne and NeBank and the Welups blockchain and ID share combined, you can do customer support with Dr. Ne, you can do the financial control totally with NeBank. Send money to your customer, receive money every day, and exchange to the exchange, withdraw with the payment gateway. So it's a combination of application and solution, the full solution, in order to serve your everyday need, from communication to businesses, to expand your business from crypto to fiat. So it's totally as a cycle. This is the last one that I once hints on, let's say the streams before, when everybody asking about GameFi and gaming with our blockchains. This is the model that we are going to apply on our games. So it's going to be in our game to be released, as Mr. Hero has just mentioned, the Moongo project. It has the names. The name of the game has not decided yet, but the Moongo is something back the games. And the model is something that we learn from other projects. We think that projects like right now, they made money, like Asia Infinity, they do make money, other projects too. But it has, the drawbacks sometimes, and we try not to step on the same things. So that's why in the Welups GameFi 1.0, which we apply on the games, we will have 3 things. One is a DeFi. For sure, you play to earn. So you have the wallet. You can stake your coin. You can swap in-app in the game to other things. You can do borrow in the game. Why not? Yes, we can do that. For the gameplay, which is something that we already discussed, and I think that gameplay is the most important thing of the game, any game. Even none play to earn or play to earn, doesn't matter. It's the most important thing. So in the gameplay right now of the play to earn, there is a problem. You know what is this? People with big money, they can buy many things and NFT inside, and they can, let's say, go up many levels by just pouring money in. which sometimes is a drawback of the game, which people with less money. So it's somehow to the same format as before a traditional game when you pour money in and then you can do that. People with big money win, something like this. So in the gameplay of this GameFi 1.2, we do three things. One is a reward. Reward is the same. Everything has a reward. The second one is we create the deflation mechanisms, which some of your assets will be burned, will be destroyed, will be depreciated after time. And we create fairness to player, not just inflate every time. You need to be deflated. The third one is the level-based purchase, which only allow you to buy certain things when you reach certain level. So if you have big money, you still have to climb up the ladder in order to buy things, not just pouring money to buy everything. So it's, the gameplay should be fairer than the normal one right now. With the NFC, we place the marketplace inside the game. We have the auctions. Every time we do, we publish new items, new secret box, something like this. We do the auction. You can rent your items. You can do cross-chain swap with other item on other chain because we connect to BSC and Ethereum. So yeah, that's the thing. It's easy. So this thing is something we're gonna after in the first quarter of 2022 for the GameFi. That's why today we talk a lot about GameFi. Yeah. And yeah, that's about it. That's about everything we focus on 2022 that, yeah, you guys can be either collaborate with us or invest in our projects. Thank you.